Kevin.
Hello, Kunja.
Nice to meet you.
I'm glad also to meet you here. Thanks so much.
Yes. Can you tell me that why you chose our Huashengming machinery?
Oh, the reason why I chose this company for my equipment, yeah, basically before I had to research through the website the different companies that actually produce machines. So I also came across with HSM machine heavy equipment. So I also got interested with this company. So eventually I started interacting with the sales manager who happens to be Hannah. So we have been talking, we used to talk for the last 2 months. So until I made a decision to say I need to travel to prove the existence of this company. And true to my thinking and assumption, I'm here, and what I've found, I think I'm satisfied to say this is a serious company, and it's one company I can actually trust for the equipment which I need to buy. In this case, I'm procuring a 200 ton per hour crusher machine, of which I'll be crushing granite stones into building materials, as well as the stones which are meant for construction of the road. So basically I needed a company that is serious and which of good efficiency equipment, and I'm satisfied with this company, and I'll be looking forward for the outlook of all processing of the equipment. So I'm very much glad to be here. I'm very much happy. What I've found here, the humility, the welcome itself is awesome. I've enjoyed everything.
Yes. Thank you, Karen.
All right, thanks so much.